The CES Technology Show, a glimpse into the future of automotive innovation. The CES Technology Show in Las Vegas is captivating audiences with groundbreaking announcements from leading car manufacturers. Honda and BMW in particular have unveiled innovative technologies that promise to shape the future of driving. From Honda's futuristic electric vehicles to BMW's next-generation infotainment system, there's plenty to marvel at. Honda's bold new electric vehicles Honda took center stage at CES with the introduction of two electric vehicle prototypes, the Zero Saloon and the Zero SUV. These prototypes are only placeholders for now, as their official names are yet to be announced. But their design has already sparked significant buzz. The Zero Saloon, with its dramatic Lamborghini-inspired aesthetics, features a bubble-like side profile and a squared-off rear end. It's a striking departure from conventional saloon cars, designed to turn heads wherever it goes. While Honda has kept performance specifications under wraps, the car's AI-based infotainment system hints at a smarter, more connected driving experience. The Zero SUV, while equally futuristic in design, is tailored for drivers seeking a mix of style and functionality. Honda's unveiling marks a significant step in its commitment to the electric vehicle market, signaling a bold vision for the future. BMW's revolutionary Panoramic iDrive BMW made waves with its reveal of the Panoramic iDrive infotainment system, set to debut in all models from late 2025. This cutting-edge setup replaces traditional screens with a sleek black strip that spans the base of the windscreen. Graphics are projected onto this strip, creating a minimalist and futuristic interface. The system also features a new 3D head-up display, offering critical driving information in an intuitive format. A massive dashboard touchscreen is included, though the iconic BMW rotary dial controller is being retired. Instead, drivers will rely on voice commands and touchscreen interactions. BMW's Panoramic iDrive is more than just an upgrade. It represents a shift in how drivers interact with their vehicles, emphasizing simplicity and immersion. Hyundai's holographic windscreen display, Hyundai Mobis, a division of the Korean automaker, showcased an innovative holographic windscreen display. This system projects navigation directions, safety alerts, and other essential data across the entire width of the windscreen, offering a seamless flow of information for drivers. One standout feature of Hyundai's system is its ability to alleviate motion sickness for passengers, making it a practical innovation for long journeys. The display is a testament to how automakers are integrating advanced tech to improve comfort and safety. XPeng AeroHT, a glimpse into flying cars. XPeng's AeroHT concept adds a touch of sci-fi to CES 2025. Billed as a modular flying car, the AeroHT is essentially a stylish van equipped with a deployable microlight drone. Users can park the vehicle, activate the drone, and take to the skies. Approved for flight in China, the AeroHT is priced at over £200,000. While its practicality remains to be seen, especially compared to traditional helicopters, it offers an exciting vision of how transportation could evolve in the coming decades. Challenges in the push for innovation. While CES is a showcase of automotive brilliance, it also highlights the challenges automakers face. Developing sustainable technologies, ensuring compatibility with existing infrastructure, and addressing the high costs of innovation are ongoing hurdles. Yet, the advancements unveiled this year show the industry's resilience and creativity in tackling these issues. CES 2025 underscores the convergence of technology and the automotive industry. With Honda's avant-garde electric vehicles, BMW's groundbreaking infotainment system, and Hyundai and XPeng's futuristic innovations, the future of driving is shaping up to be smarter, safer, and more exciting than ever. As manufacturers push the boundaries of what cars can do, one thing is clear: the road ahead is full of possibilities.